Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Ecash guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price update of Ecash. What's the price changes occur in the Ecash? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Ecash guys. So the right now price of Ecash in the market is about 0.000237 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Ecash. Furthermore guys, if we talk about the changes of Ecash, 0.32% negative changes occur in the Ecash. Now guys, you can see here, if we look the more details about Ecash, the trading volume, fully diluted market cap, everything are going in the lows, negative 27.74%. guys, now the all changes occur in the Ecash or in the right now situation is going negative guys. So that is the alert news for all of you, that please don't decide to sell due to these negative changes. Just hold guys, never decide to sell, just hold. Because you can see here that is a temporary funds, and I hope guys that with the passage of time, now you can see here in the latest situation, if we look the price chart, so the latest situation, the latest price chart of Ecash is also become positive guys. So higher possibilities guys that the Ecash will continue this jump for a long time guys. I also recommend for you to please hold, never decide to sell guys. Anyways guys, what do you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about Ecash? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news, for more updates, videos about Ecash XEC coin. Hope you like this video. Subscribe now for more news.